Okay, go get your toy, Zach. Left it in the car.
Get the toy. Yes. Good boy.
Oh my goodness, you're faster than I am. What a good boy.
He got the toy.
Oh.
That was quick. Can I have it?
And the car is now empty of groceries thanks to Zacharama. An old crip here doesn't have to carry him in.
Now he knows what the toy is for.
That is, oh, my purse. Here, Zach, come and get this.
Get the purse.
Come and get my purse.
Stop. Zach.
Come on, Mallory, let's see those muscles. All those years of athletics. Who's bigger? I wonder who's bigger.
Come on. That really worked for it, Zach. Come on.
Oh my gosh. That's fun. That's fun.
Look over there. Let go. Get the purse. Look at Ben. Oh, jeez.
All we're going to hear on this is my stupid laugh.
Ready? Say go. Go. I'm gonna win. I'm stronger. Come on.
Say goodbye.